BAR recognizes that you're going to work best at whatever you're passionate about, and they want you to find that passion and follow it and pursue it, and they leave it up to you to really decide where you want to go and where you want your career to take you.
There's a wealth of knowledge here and a wealth of experience which I've just barely scratched the surface of.
People thrive here who are curious and want to learn new things.
People want to get more out of their work here than just their project work. I think they want to feel like what they're doing is meaningful and useful, and that they, as they're doing that work, are surrounded by people who are funny and creative and can think out of the box.
I'm really excited for what the future holds and what kind of other field and work opportunities there are. So, interesting prospect of what I can do, and I'm really excited to see what happens.